Hey there! Welcome back to the CINCH Tips Series, your quick and easy guide to getting the most out of CINCHQuilt. In this video, we're going to cover the heart of CINCHQuilt, the main canvas. I'll show you how to move around, use your mouse and keyboard, and take advantage of the toolbar and shortcuts to make your designing smoother and faster. Let's start with what you're looking at. Right in the center is the main canvas. This is where you'll do all of your designing. On the left, you have the sidebar. From here, you can access your design groups, borders, tools, and the image library. Up top is the toolbar. This is where you'll find options like design size, sashing, rulers, and more. We'll walk through some of this in a minute. Let's look closer at a couple of the toolbar features. First are the grid line settings. You can adjust the size of the grid squares and also the darkness of the lines. This is helpful if you want a lighter guide in the background or bold lines to really anchor your placement. Now, let's talk about the rulers. You can choose where rulers show up: left, right, top, bottom, or all sides. Turning this on or off is a great way to customize your workspace. Now, let's go over some mouse basics. Primary click selects an item. Just click once on a group or patch to select it. Alternate click opens a context menu with extra commands for whatever you selected. You can also hold alternate and drag to move the entire canvas around, or hold primary click and drag to draw a box around multiple groups or patches. Once selected, you can move them all, duplicate them, or even flip and rotate them together. For zooming, use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out, or use the zoom controls in the toolbar. And here's a pro tip. If you ever get lost on your canvas, just hit the reset zoom button in the middle. It snaps you right back to a centered view of your whole design. Now, let's talk about the snap grid. Every block or group you move will snap into place on the grid lines. This keeps everything lined up perfectly. Remember, the size of your grid lines in the toolbar affects how objects snap. So make sure those settings match how precise you want to be. Finally, let's cover a few handy keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl plus C is copy, Ctrl plus V is paste, and Ctrl plus Z is undo. And if you want more, open the group designer and click the keyboard icon. You'll find a full list of shortcuts there. And if you ever need help, just go to the help menu in the main navigation. From there, you'll find links to our YouTube tutorials and our contact information. And that's your quick tour of the main canvas. You now know how to move around, zoom, snap to the grid, and use both your mouse and keyboard to make designing faster and easier. Give these tools a try in your next project. You'll be amazed how much smoother your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next CINCH tip.